So I was actually waiting and anticipating getting this sausage grinder and the sausage stuffer. I got the sausage stuffer, which is nothing's actually wrong with that. That's actually what I expected it to be. However, I got the grinder and I do not actually have the most important part, in which it says right here on the box that the stand mixer shown here is sold separately by its related authority. So this, I have a piece of the equipment and I have to order the other piece of the equipment separately. And I think that's piss poor business. It should have been said in the description that you have to buy the stand mixer separately.
Rotate it towards us. There's another thing. Yeah.
It's happening. This is for my special kitty that is delicate and needs chunks. Yeah, those